Welcome to our video interview with Julius Abernethy, the Vice President of Carolina Glove Company. This discussion will cover the company's commitment to manufacturing in the USA, adherence to safety standards, including OSHA compliance, and their focus on innovation and technology in glove production. We'll explore how these elements contribute to the quality and reliability of their products, ensuring worker safety and satisfaction. Julius will also shed light on Carolina Glove Company's efforts in environmental sustainability, ethical practices in their supply chain, and how customer feedback drives continuous improvement and adaptation to market needs, including the development of products tailored for the growing number of women in the workforce. Join us for insights into the strategies that keep Carolina Glove Company at the forefront of the glove manufacturing industry. Can you provide a brief history of Carolina Glove Company and its journey in the glove manufacturing industry?
Carolina Glove Company started in 1946 by my grandfather, Julius Abernethy Jr. He's been working in textiles for over a long period of time before the war in 1946, and decided that there was a need for safety gloves in this country. So he developed Carolina Glove Company in 1946, and we've been manufacturing work gloves ever since then in the United States.
What inspired the company's decision to base its manufacturing operations in the U.S., and how does manufacturing in the U.S. impact the quality and reliability of your products?
He started in 1946 manufacturing here because he was from this local community. He knew the people here, and he knew that the workforce would be great. So we based our operations here in Western North Carolina. The product here in the U.S. is superb to about every other product here in the world. We have the highest quality leathers, threads that we work with that have the most durability and reliability in the industry. We take pride in our gloves. When you think of Carolina Glove, you think of quality, and that's what we've always been known for, and that's what we want to continue to be known for, is our quality gloves.
Can you elaborate on how your products meet or exceed OSHA regulations like 29 CFR 1910.138, which pertains to hand protection?
It's important for us to follow the OSHA regulations to secure the safety of the employees. We stay up to date with our compliance office to make sure that we are up to date with OSHA regulations for the safety industry standards. We strive on our quality and the safety for the workers to help decrease workforce injuries.
Are there any recent innovations in glove manufacturing that you have adopted or are planning to adopt? Specifically, changes in cut glove requirements.
Innovation is very important to us. One of the things that we're working on right now is automation. The cut requirements, we are constantly staying up to date with the standards for the ANSI testing. We work with our suppliers to stay up to date with the most current standards for those cut protections to get the testings for the appropriations of the glove. That is something that we strive to do to make sure that the workers are safe and that we are staying at the standard of the cut protection.
What makes your gloves more effective in ensuring worker safety compared to other brands on the market?
In the glove industry, most of the gloves are the same. When I tell you Carolina Glove Company, we're known for quality, is because we are one of the last American-made work glove companies left in the U.S. We have always strived on the American-made product, but we do offer an import quality which is superb to a lot of other companies. So we are a manufacturer, so our quality control, we always make sure that the quality of the gloves, no matter where we get them from, are up to date and great to the American-made item. I always say we're best of both worlds because we do offer the USA-made product and we do offer a high-quality import product. We are one of the ones in the industry that we understand manufacturing because we've been doing it since 1946. So we take pride in our manufacturing process and the people that we work with.
Do you use other materials besides Kevlar to manufacture your gloves? If so, what are they?
We do use other materials. Leather is our big industry. We make a lot of leather work gloves. Kevlar is a great product. We've worked with Kevlar for a very long time. They're very good into heat protection and in cut protection. We make a lot of heat protection gloves and cut protection gloves for a lot of workers throughout this country. The Spectre yarns that we use for higher cut protection for people. Kevlar is a great brand, and they're one of the ones that we do use.
How does Carolina Glove Company integrate new technologies or materials to enhance the safety and durability of its products?
We stay up to date. We work with our suppliers. We want to make sure every glove that we do make, we want to make sure it holds the standards of the safety in the workforce to make sure that we cut down on workforce injuries. We have great suppliers we work with that keeps us up to date with many yarns to have new innovations, new products, new things for the workforce. It's a great thing to be in. We have a lot of local suppliers here that we do great things with, and we continue to do. And we're always looking for new innovations and new ideas for new gloves every day. The new 9-level ANSI scale, goes from ANSI 1 to ANSI 9. We make gloves from ANSI level 1 to ANSI level 9. It's every day switching, so we have to stay up to date with it, with the new ANSI testing. We send our gloves off to get testing to make sure they meet the current qualifications and specifications for the ANSI testing to make sure the workers are safe.
Has Carolina Glove and Safety made any changes to address the growing number of women in the workforce? Do you provide any PPE products specifically designed for women?
Well, the one thing I can say about Carolina Glove, since 1946, we can make sizes for all different types of hands. We've made gloves from extra small to quadruple X. We customize because we are a manufacturer, so we can customize gloves for anybody's hands. We've done things before where someone sends a molding in of their hand, and we will make a glove specially for that person. That's something we've always strived on in the workforce. We've always wanted to take care of our customers no matter who they are.
Does the company take any steps to ensure environmentally friendly manufacturing processes?
Yes, we've taken all kinds of steps. So we had a lot of waste, and we've had a lot of waste with a lot of our materials, so we make sure we recycle them and we put them. We've even done things for our leather. We've had extras. We put them in bags, and we've sold them on Etsy for people to make other things with those materials, as bags, wallets, different things, so we don't have that much waste.
How do you ensure ethical practices in your supply chain and manufacturing process?
Since 1946, our company has strived on ethics. We always want to make sure we're the most ethical company. Our workers are the best. Who makes this company. We have had people who've worked here for 60 years. We've had grandparents, granddaughters, and daughters that have worked for us at the same time.
I came in 1975. I've been here 48 years. I started out doing this for years, 15, 20, and then I moved to doing the work where you give it to the girls, grading and all that, and then I took over the supervisor job.
How long have you been in Carolina Glove?
45.
45?
We make sure we keep those ethical practices by visiting our plants and making sure the managers and everybody's doing the right thing, and we want to make sure we do right by our employees. When we work overseas with our suppliers from China, Pakistan, and India, we want to make sure they're following the same ethical practices as us, so we visit them and make sure that they're using the same standard that we use here in Conover, North Carolina.
How does customer feedback shape the development of new products or the improvement of existing ones?
Customer feedback is very important. We want to make sure that we meet every customer's needs. So when a customer calls us and tells us that he might have a problem with the glove, which we don't have very often, we make sure we fix it. There's specific needs that some customers have that, for an example, someone might have more wear into the thumb. So what we do is we know that they're using that glove, especially in that area, more, so we will put an extra sewn in thumb patch, or we will put extra thread in there to make sure that area does not break. We've had customer feedback before. We fixed that problem, and customers been happy. Customers are always our number one thing. We want to make sure they're happy and they're taken care of, and the glove quality is superb.
Any final thoughts you'd like to share?
I want to thank NASP for doing this interview. This is a great thing that they're doing for a lot of small companies, and the standard of safety. We appreciate them coming by, and please watch this YouTube channel.
Thank you for joining us in this enlightening conversation with Julius Abernethy, Vice President of Carolina Glove Company. Through our discussion, we've gained valuable insights into the company's rigorous commitment to manufacturing in the U.S., their proactive approach to safety and OSHA compliance, and the innovative strategies that underscore their product quality and reliability. It's clear that Carolina Glove Company not only prioritizes worker safety, but also actively engages in sustainable practices and ethical supply chain management, reflecting their dedication to excellence and corporate responsibility. We also learned about the company's responsiveness to customer feedback, which plays a pivotal role in their continuous product development and improvement, including the creation of gloves designed to meet the diverse needs of the workforce. Carolina Glove Company's efforts to adapt and evolve in the face of industry changes and challenges exemplifies their leadership in the glove manufacturing sector. If you'd like NASP to do a spotlight on your company, visit the Contact Us section of our website. There's a link in the description below. Also, if there are any other companies or products that you'd like NASP to cover, you can let us know in the comments section. Finally, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps us grow the channel and provide you with more great safety content. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insights and discussions from industry leaders.